Good morning, everyone. What it's doing today. We've had lots of sunshine, blue skies. Some of the temperatures have been hot, some of them have been cool. But today we get some rain. Very dark, overcast, raining. I'm not complaining. I don't mind having a little bit of rain, but I don't like the way my windshield is blocking, so I might have to buy a new set. I am currently in Crystal River, Florida. What a charming little town this is. I'd like to spend more time here sometime, but that's not going to happen again this year. I am on my way north heading home. But it's definitely a little town I'd like to come back and spend more time in. I got to drive all over the place this morning as Google Maps was trying to get me to AutoZone and took me all over the place. So I got to see quite a bit of Crystal River. Cute little town. I really like it. So anyhow, I got myself a new set of wiper blades. How quiet. Oh, is this wonderful. Couldn't be happier, huh? Well, the next little town on our US 19 road trip going north is Inglis, Florida. I-N-G-L-I-S. Not sure if I am pronouncing that correctly. Just a tiny little town, not much here. When this town was founded in 1875, the community was originally called Blind Horse. It is named after Captain John Inglis, who was connected with the Dunellen phosphate and was previously called Port Inglis after it had been named Blind Horse.
At the light, turn left onto Southwest 4th Avenue, then turn right onto Southwest 1st Street.
Enjoying the shit show as much as I am. This lady doesn't know how to even get us through Chiefland using the main street of US 19.
Head north on North Main Street toward Northeast 6th.
Oh my goodness. Yes, I know, Jazzy. She's just crazy. It's no wonder I get lost, huh? Yeah, it's no wonder Mommy gets lost. She follows crazy Google. Because it is such a nasty rainy day, I am going to go do my laundry, like I mentioned. I'm going to be exploring a laundromat. I looked for ones close by, and the one in this town doesn't sound like it's a very nice one. So I'm going to the next town up to one that's much higher rated. I mean, since I have to do a laundromat, I might as well do one that's decent. And there's nothing better to do on a rainy day like this than doing the laundry. And tomorrow it's going to be a sunnier day and a much better day to go over to Manatee Springs Park and see if there's anything to see. So yes, I am inside a laundromat. Such as it is. It's one of those things that needs to be done. Oh, I'm done at the laundromat, and I hope that's the last time I have to go to one of those for a long time. So anyhow, I need to apologize to Google because I figured out what happened. Apparently, and all my fumbling around with my phone, I inadvertently changed the settings from traveling via car to traveling via bicycle. No wonder it took 5 hours to go on a 30-minute drive. So now that I've got that figured out, hopefully Google and I will get along a little bit better. Well, this is the Fort Fanning Historical Park in the city of Fanning Springs, Florida. I have come down here to take a closer look at the Suwannee River. Yes, the Suwannee River. It's actually spelled S-U-W-A-N-E-E, and it has been pronounced Swanee for years. I just drove by this property up here. I wanted to go back and take a look. I would say it is definitely a victim of a wicked storm, and the only one in the neighborhood that hasn't really been cleaned up. But the house is totally destroyed. The car, totally destroyed. And there's another one.
Head
Not in
northwest
good
on Lake
shape.
Avenue toward Kentucky Avenue, then